Superfast Cymru is a project designed to ensure that premises in Wales have access to superfast broadband. We know that without the project, then broadband speeds that we expect in urban areas would never reach rural areas. It'll deliver speeds of at least 30 megabits per second, and there'll be some parts of Wales where the speed will go up to 100.
My name's Tom Shone. I'm an Openreach planning apprentice. We're trying to provide a service of fibre optic broadband. This is a huge job. It's taken many people, and my part within the role is as a planner. I'll survey what existing equipment we have, for example, underground structures, ductwork and poles. It's now our job to look at these structures and see if we can overlay the existing copper network with our fibre network.
Here today now we're in a setting which is very rural. There's a country lane here which is a 60 mph limit where our joint boxes are all located in fields just off the main road. We've pulled in a length of subduct, and then the guys came here now and blown in some fibre. The fibre they've blown in here now will make the village just up the lane, make that live.
The project will create 50 new jobs. 100 apprentices have already been recruited. It's a project that doesn't just hit the mark in terms of ensuring people and businesses are connected in Wales, but it's also giving people the chance to learn new skills and ultimately get a job.
My name is Anne Bynan and I'm BT's Director for Wales. When we finish building the network in spring 2016, Wales will have an infrastructure better than Japan. So we will have a competitive edge, so that will then have a massive knock-on effect to the whole of the Welsh economy. Fibre broadband was a big investment that we made in the economic downturn, and it was a decision we took because we knew that we had to grow the business. We're now seeing the benefits coming in. We're seeing people buying the product quickly.
My name's Stephen Richards. I'm a field engineer. Inside the green cabinets that you see on the side of the streets and the street corners, there can be up to 1,000 telephone lines inside there, so that's 1,000 potential customers. We get superfast fibre then brought in through the underground network into these green cabinets, and then we connect that up, which then goes right through to the end user's premises and gives them superfast fibre.
My name is Scott Davis O'Rourke. The Bear Hotel is a 3-star hotel. People won't put up with a slow internet connection. Without connection to Facebook or email, people feel lost.
Grid 76 is a graphic design service. The internet as a tool is invaluable. It's my connection to the outside world. It's my connection to trade, to events.
My name's Justin Lloyd. The internet's vital because I've got 2 kids which want to watch Netflix and BBC iPlayer and S4Q. And then my wife wants to be looking at Home and Away on 5 on demand.
One of the chief complaints was that the internet was dropping off, so fibre has been very welcomed.
The speed of the superfast internet connection has changed our lives because it's just on. Like when you go to the tap to get a glass of water, it's just there.
Since the superfast came in, it's transformed the company. It's superfast, as it says, and it just connects us to the rest of the world.
I'm very proud of the fact that this is a Welsh Government initiative. We know there are many parts of Wales that would not be connected at a proper speed to the internet for many years to come, if at all. And we want to make sure that businesses are able to flourish in Wales, and that means they have to have access to the right level of broadband speed regardless of wherever they are in Wales, and that's exactly what this project will deliver.